breaking inputs regarding the Tamil Nadu government in taking more strict measures here, and this is as far as transport is concerned. Public and private buses not to ply in Tamil Nadu till the 31st of July. This step is once again being taken in as a measure to control COVID-19 infection. Remember, Tamil Nadu government time and again has announced lockdown in the worst affected districts here. But now this is as far as public and private buses go across the entire state. The inconvenience that this would of course cause. Our correspondent Pramod is getting us those details here. Pramod, please get us those inputs.
Well, as we highlighted earlier, it seems that the pattern is reversing in the state of Tamil Nadu. As in, earlier, if there were 2,000 cases, 80% of which was from Chennai and the 20% was from other districts. But consecutively, that has completely changed now. In fact, for the day, we have 4,300 cases reported from the state of Tamil Nadu, of which only 1,200 cases altogether is from the city of Chennai. So the rest of the cases from various other districts, and it is turning into a bit of a difficulty for the state, especially the health department. So it seems like the plan has been reversed once again to make sure that they can contain corona. For instance, during the first unlock, that is by June 1st, Tamil Nadu government decided to go ahead and convert the entire state into 8 zones. They consecrated them into 8 zones, and buses were allowed to travel between 5 or 6 districts altogether. That plan was dropped back in June 14-15 after the collectors went ahead and said that they are unable to actually manage the situation. But right now it seems like Tamil Nadu has gone ahead and completely banned public transportation until 31st of July as a measure to contain COVID spread.
Okay. All right. So this is more than half a month left here. This is to continue till the end of the month there. No public-private buses to ply. Pramod, thank you for getting us those inputs.